Hello everybody, in this video I'm gonna make a lazy Susan made of Arduino Nano board, 28 BYJ stepper motor and its driver and a bunch of jumper wires. And also we have this tiny LED light to make it look better. We will start with wiring the components and I will leave the wiring diagram link in the description box, and all of the other components links that I'm using will be in the description box also. Make sure you check it. The next move is programming the Arduino board. First of all, we have to select the port, which is in my case Con3. Then we will select the board that we are working on, which is Arduino Nano. So we will type Nano here, Arduino Nano, and then OK. I already wrote the code, so I will just paste it here by selecting the old code and Ctrl V. By the way, I will add it in the description box, so you can copy and use it immediately. You can modify the speed from here, so instead of 5 you can type for example 10, but in my case 5 is enough. Last of all, we hit upload and wait to the code to run. And now let's run a small test. It's working perfectly, so it's time to assemble it. One of the most important things are the insert nuts. It's a must-have thing, and we will be using the soldering iron to insert them inside of the model. And finally we will add the last part, which is the top. I already pressed the gear inside of the external gear and also added this hole to see what's going on here. Finally we will connect it to a 5-volt power source, like a power bank or phone charger. And as you see, that is the last result. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, I hope you support me by subscribing and hitting the like button. That was all for this video, and see you next time.